Oh man, we got a salmon, guys. Been out here for a minute. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, salmon. All right, guys, so I'm here. This is it. Makah Bay. All right, so technically I'm not in the bay proper. I'm actually around the corner a little bit on the Pacific side. But that's the very northwestern tip of the United States right there. Starting out today, just fishing for salmon. And you can just see though, like it's an absolutely stunning place. So let's get into it, see what kind of fish we can put on the boat, and hopefully we can get some dinner for tonight. Oh yeah. Oh man, we got a salmon, guys. Been out here for a minute. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, salmon. Oh God, I was trolling for like an hour and a half. I was about ready to call it. Oh. Yes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, salmon in the boat, y'all. Woo, salmon. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that, man. Nice coho. Woo. I'm landing a coho, man, calm down. Man, guys. Oh. All right. All right. All right. Okay. Calm down. Bad fish. All right, guys. Coho in the boat. I was so about ready to quit, too. Oh, my God. Oh. All right, you guys want to see this coho? Bam! Look at that. You can tell it's a hatchery. He's got the clip fin here. Got him on the pink hoochie. That feels really good. Yes. All right, let's see how big he is, though. What do you guys think? 24-inch. That's a nice coho. All right, finally fish on here, guys. Doesn't feel too big, but I gotta keep pressure on it because I ain't got no barbs on these hooks. Let's see what we got. China rock. All right. I mean, not super exciting, but we know there's fish down there. That comes out nice and easy. All right, China rockfish, guys. Little slump buster for my rock fishing. All right. Okay, fish on, guys. Hopefully I don't lose this one. He feels a little bit bigger than the China rockfish I just threw back. Come on, baby. Jesus, is that the same China rockfish? Sure looks like it. All right. I'm gonna go to where Christian's fishing. Whoop. Oh, you fucking seal. No! No, you dick! Ah, you, bro! Yeah, what's up? GoPro, start recording. Yeah. No, ain't happening, man. Dude, I just played tug of war with a seal for my salmon. He gave me the evil eye too just now. You should have seen him. He did, dude. He had words. There he is. Dude, I'm so glad I looked over. I was like, oh no! There he is. I won! All right, another fish on here, guys. I'm gonna really try to crank him in here because I lost that last fish because I was too slow. All right, nice and easy, nice and easy. What do we got here? A sculpin. All right, well. Okay, guys. Nothing I'm gonna keep, but kind of a neat fish to see. Like in the last video I shot, I think that might be another red Irish lord. See that? I mean, they look cool. I can't believe he took a swipe at that giant fish. Back you go, buddy. Well, I'm not really looking forward to, yeah, same. I got another something here. A cabbie. Oh, it's a ling, dude. He's not even hooked. Oh, yeah. Dude, he let go of the bait and the hook caught him on the way out. Oh, that's sweet. Hell yeah. Wow. That could have gone so different. Cool, man. Ow, you dick. See how big this guy is. He's not huge, but likely. What's the minimum here, 22? That's true. All right, well, he's 23. I'll take that. I'll take that. GoPro, start recording. Dude, that Ling Cod came way up from the bottom to grab this. Oh, he's pissed. Yes! Woo! Dude, I was just letting that bait hang. What'd you get? Oh, hell yeah. All right. All right, guys. Last Ling Cod for the day. Perfect timing, because I think we're about to call it here. Really, dude? I gotta take a look here. Let's see what this guy's at. Guy, he's bigger than the last one. He's not a monster. All right, 25 inches. Not bad. Oh my God, dude. Oh, and he's a beast. Wow, man. Yeah, dude, congrats, dude. What? Dude, I was just had my stuff up because all right, guys, well, we got our Ling Cod limit for the day. We got one Coho salmon. Had a really awesome time for the first day out here at Makah Bay. I think we're gonna go in. The fog's rolling in pretty hard, and I think landing's gonna be an adventure. So we'll be back out here early in the morning, and yeah, we'll get back into it. All right, I made it back in, no problem. Let's see if France can make it in.
The waves aren't big, but there's kind of a lot of them. Oh no. Nice! Yeah, do it, dude! Woo! Oh,